Hello guys, I would like to share a script for dynamically loading a scene using the Addressable Asset System package. I needed this script to dynamically load the scene from the server depending on the user's geolocation. The script is very simple. You must enter the name of the scene from the addressable group. The method of loading, single or additive, and also connect the interface for dialogue with the user. When publishing on Google Play and the App Store, we are faced with the fact that it is necessary to warn the user about the amount of downloaded files. Therefore, the user pops up a dialog box with information about the size of downloaded resources. Let's see how it works. Loads 10. It is status. Download. Well done. Let's try to remove the scene from addressable groups. Yes. Play. Well done, because there was an error. Okay. I call Unity events in a script so third-party developers can incorporate design or effects to accompany the download. It is assumed that the scene is located on a remote server. However, I will use simulate groups mode and can test without a server. If we compile the application or use the existing build mode, then after the first download, the addressable system will cache the scene and get it from the cache after checking for updates. Therefore, the second time a dialog box would not appear. That's all. Link to the project in the description.